Pag-usapan po natin itong biglang pagkambyo po mga kabida ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Itong kanila pong denial dito ho sa balita po ng The Manila Times na di umano dinisband ng AFP, ito pong Vice President Protection and Security Group. Ang grupo po na namamahala po sa seguridad ng Vice Presidente po mga kabida. Kahapon po, lumabas kasi itong balita mula sa The Manila Times, okay? Ang title po ng kanilang balita po mga kabida, Vice President's Security Group disbanded. Okay? Dito po sila nag-react, Ang sabi po ng Armed Forces of the Philippines, hindi ho dinisband yung Vice President Protection and Security Group. Kundi, ni-reorganize lang po, Ni-reorganize lang po daw mga kabida, hindi ho dinisband. Pero, meron pong source po itong The Manila Times. Okay? Actually, may nakuha po tayong dokumento, courtesy po ito ni Tio Moreno po mga kabida. Isa pong classified information o document na may nakalagay talaga doon na dinisband ito pong Vice President Protection and Security Group. Okay, papakita ko to mamaya mga kabida. Pero dito muna tayo sa statement mula sa Armed Forces of the Philippines. Patungkol po doon ho sa kanila pong denial sa balita po mga kabida ng The Manila Times. Okay? Ito yung kanila pong statement. Dated April 5, 2025 on the reorganization of the Vice President Security and Protection Group. Ito yung kanilang pahayag po. Babasahin po natin mga kabida. The Armed Forces of the Philippines, o AFP, clarifies that the Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group was not disbanded, but rather reorganized into AFP Security and Protection Group as part of our rationalization and streamlining efforts implemented in February 2025 as approved by the Department of National Defense. This administrative adjustment was undertaken to unify security and protection operations. It ensures the continued, uninterrupted, and robust protection of the Vice President within a more integrated and optimized framework. It is worth noting that the Vice President Protection and Security Group was only created in June 2022. Prior to this, Vice Presidents were secured by the Security and Protection Battalion under the AFP General Headquarters and Headquarters Support Command, with no dedicated military security group. As such, the current setup is a more efficient and effective way to ensure the safety and security of the present and future Vice Presidents. The AFP likewise appeal to some of our fellow Filipinos to avoid spreading false and misleading information. We enjoin our kababayan to use our communications platforms to promote unity, peace, and understanding, and not to sow discord, hatred, and division. The AFP remains fully committed to the safety and protection of the Vice President and all key officials of the government. So yun yung kanila pong statement po mga kabida, denying yung balita po ng The Manila Times. Okay? As what I said kanina, meron pong basis itong The Manila Times kung bakit ibinalita po yun nila, na ang title po ng kanila pong balita is disbanded yung Vice President Protection and Security Group. Okay? Ito po, papakita ko po sa inyo, courtesy po ito mga kabida kay Teo Moreno, Yan. Yan po, May nakalagay po dyan, watermark po mga kabida ng The Manila Times. Meaning, sa kanila po galing, Nakuha po nila ito mula sa kanila pong source. Okay? Ito po, babasahin ko po yung kanila pong nakuhang dokumento, classified document, okay? Confidential General Headquarters, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Camp General Emilio Aguinaldo, Quezon City. Dated po ito February 10, 2025. Alright? General Orders number 196. Ang nakasaad po dito, ito po the activation, Section 1, and then reorganization and subsequently activation, Section 2. Okay, babasahin ko lang po ito, yung kanila pong General Orders number 196, ano? Okay. Number 1, the activation. The Vice President Security and Protection Group is deactivated effective 06 February 2025. Malinaw po ito Okay? Deactivation. The Vice President Security and Protection Group is deactivated effective 06 February 2025. Okay. Number 2, reorganization and subsequently activation. The Special Detail Battalion, General Headquarters, Headquarters Service Command is reorganized and subsequently activated into the Armed Forces of the Philippines Security and Protection Group under the General Headquarters and Headquarters Service Command, AFP, effective 06 February 2025. Ayan. The mission of the Armed Forces of the Philippines Security and Protection Group is to protect the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines and other very important persons of VIPs as approved by the Department of National Defense in order to ensure their safety and security. The Armed Forces of the Philippines Security and Protection Group has a total personnel requirement of 347, which is composed of 18 officers, 329 enlisted personnel, and shall be headed by a commander with a table of organization grade requirement of Colonel, Captain of the Philippine Navy by command of General Bronner Jr., Jimmy D. Larida, Lieutenant General, Philippine Navy, Deputy Chief of Staff, and then sa baba po mga kabida, Bernardo Portes Jr., Brigadier General, Philippine Army, the Adjutant General. Ayan. So ito po yung dokumento na naging basis po ng The Manila Times. Yung sinabi po ng Armed Forces of the Philippines na false information, hindi ito false information. Kasi unang-una po mga kabida, may dokumento po. Okay, may basihan po. Okay? Ako, I think this is not a fake document. Para sa akin, hindi ito fake document. Kasi dito, parang may pirma ata ito ni Bernardo Fortes, Okay? Hindi ito fake document. Mula po ito sa Armed Forces of the Philippines na dokumento po mga kabida. So, may basis po yung The Manila Times, So, nagtaka lang po tayo kung bakit bigla ho silang kumambyo, Although, may nakalagay po dun sa dokumento na yon na reorganization, okay? Ni-reorganize nila yung dating security group, okay, into an AFP Security and Protection Group, okay? Kung saan dito na po kukunin yung mga security personnel po ni Vice President Sara Duterte and other VIPs, okay? So, mas maganda yung dati kasi unang-una exclusive po yun ng Vice President. Alright? Kasi po, sa ating saligang batas, although hindi po sinabi doon, hindi specific, hindi explicit yung security details po ng Vice President. Pero tandaan po natin, ang Vice President po ay siya po yung the only successor sa Presidente. Kapag meron pong mangyari po sa Presidente po ng Pilipinas, automatically, yung Vice President, yung hahalili po mga kabida. So, dapat kung ano yung protection na ibibigay po doon sa Presidente, ganun din yun dapat sa Vice President. Kung ano po yung privilege na nakukuha po ng Presidente when it comes to security and protection, ganun din dapat doon sa Vice President po. Kasi yun nga, siya yung hahalili po sa Presidente sakaling meron pong mangyari po sa Presidente po ng Pilipinas. Okay? Since sila po yung pinakamataas na opisyal sa Pilipinas, itong Presidente at saka itong Vice Presidente dapat they must be secured and protected. Okay? So, since they must be secured and protected, dapat meron silang sariling seguridad. Meron silang sariling command. Meron po silang sariling security detailed, mga kabida.